Hi, thank you for watching this A-Step Artist at Home video. At A-Step, we bring social, emotional, and mindfulness skills to young people all over the globe. As teaching artists, we believe it's important for us to practice those mindfulness activities before we teach them. So please enjoy this visual art activity and feel free to adapt it for friends or students after you've had a chance to experience it for yourself. We're going to begin by placing one hand on our chest and one hand on our stomach. We're going to take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take a moment to check in with your body and with your heartbeat. Now we're going to think of one word to describe how we might be feeling in this very moment. Take a moment to close your eyes. Sit down if you need to. Stand up and stretch if you want to. Think about one word that describes how you're feeling at this very moment. Slowly open your eyes, and now we're going to go into our activity. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a symmetrical geometric design. For this activity, you will need a pencil, a blank sheet of white paper or construction paper, an eraser. You will need anything with a straight edge or a ruler if you have one. I don't, so I used a Metro card. A bowl or glass, or really any round object you can trace, and finally colored pencils. For our first step, we will create one horizontal and vertical line in the middle of our page. We will then use our bowl or cup to create a circle in the middle of our page, and from then we'll draw out, adding either more circles or triangles using shapes. We'll build out. Whatever you do in one quadrant or section, you will repeat in the others in order to keep that symmetrical design. Once you're done adding in all your details, you can start coloring everything in. Here's a little detail work that you can add in if you would like to, and here's an example to get some inspiration. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this activity taught you something new or gave you a new outlet for your creativity. If you have any questions or any comments, leave it in the comments. And take care.